Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you all are doing good. Today we will starting our new chapter, but before starting a new chapter we will recite a dua. So repeat with me. Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi zidni ilma, ए मेरे रब मेरे इल्म में इजाफा फरमा. So today we have a chapter is operating system window. Firstly we will start this chapter with the little introduction of operating system. Basically जो operating system है, that is a program that control all parts of the computer. It perform tasks such as recognizing input, sending output to the display screen. Moreover, it control devices such as printer and scanner. Every computer, हर कंप्यूटर में ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम का होना ज़रूरी है बिकॉज इट हेल्प्स टू रन अदर प्रोग्राम्स एंड एप्लीकेशन. ये अलाउ करता है हार्डवेयर को टू कम्युनिकेट एंड ऑपरेट विद सॉफ्टवेयर एंड द सॉफ्टवेयर that operating system operates are Microsoft Windows, Mac OS, Linux and well-known operating system. Basically ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम जो है वो डेस्कटॉप एंड टास्क बार आइटम को अलाउ करता है टू क्विकर एक्सेस द प्रोग्राम एंड एप्लीकेशन. Windows 10 also has a desktop and taskbar which are discussed below. Then now we are discussing the Windows Text Desktop. Our desktop is an area or window on the monitor screen where icons, small picture of programs are arranged in a particular manner. डेस्कटॉप स्क्रीन मॉनिटर स्क्रीन को कहा जाता है जिसमें डिफरेंट आइकन्स एंड डिफरेंट आइकन्स फोल्डर फाइल्स जो हैं वो अपीयर होती हैं विच कैन बी एक्सेस्ड, रीनेम, मूव्ड एंड डिलीटेड. Windows 10 has this PC, network and recycle bin icons. Now move on the desktop screen. I will tell you about this PC, network and recycle bin on it. Now this is the Windows screen. In the Windows screen you have to see that this is this PC icon, then there is a recycle bin and the network. This PC icon contains all information about the computer as folder. As you can see, when I click this icon, here we have the different information and folders such as desktop, download, document, music, picture, videos. These all are the information and folders in this PC program icon. Then we have different devices and drives like local disk, local disk D, system reserve. These all are the drives. Then we have different devices like this DVD drive. Now move on the network icon. Basically जो network icon है include information about all items that are connected to it such as computers, media devices, network infrastructure, printer, etc. Then we have the option is recycle bin. Basically recycle bin जो है वो represent करता है directory where deleted files and folders are temporarily stored. The following are the steps involved in restoring a file or folder. Firstly, you have to double click to open the recycle bin. Now you can see here we have the different files that are temporarily deleted. Right click on the file or folder shown in the recycle bin like this. When you click on it, the dialog boxes appear. In this dialog box here we have the option is restore. When we click on it, our file will restore and place it on previous position. So in this way you can restore your files or folder. Now we will discuss about the personalized desktop. Basically personalized desktop जो है वो विंडो को अलाउ करता है to personalize setting. These help change desktop background, window color, lock screen background and much more. It helps you personalize your computer. How can we use this program? Use the follow step like right click on the desktop like this. You can see the dialog box is appear. In this dialog box, here we have the option is personalize. Click the option personalize. The dialog box is appear. In this dialog box, here we have the option is change desktop icon, change mouse pointer, change desktop background, window color, sound, screensaver. These all are the part of personalized desktop. With the help of this personalized desktop, you can change the appearance of your desktop. If you want to change the desktop background, you can see that here we have the different types of desktop screen. You click on it, you can see your desktop appearance is changed. In this way you can change your desktop appearance. So in this chapter we have learned about the operating system and how can we use this operating system. So here we stop our video. We will continue our video with next new topic. Thank you.